Okay, this is Spencer, your Tampa Bay wallpaper installer, coming to you again from Clearwater Beach. The first video shut off on its own. Don't know why, but you saw enough. We're installing now the second sheet. You'll see that now let's talk some mathematics here. You want to have your wallpaper symmetrical, even though you're not going to see seams here. Cost effective, the least amount of waste is to have very little waste, right? That's the best way to install your paper. It just happens to be that the ceiling we're installing the paper on is actually the exact size that the wallpaper can accommodate without any waste at all.
Hold the front down.
Okay. I don't see the flap.
Right here.
Oh yeah, I see it. Okay. Now your best bet is to be behind me after I get this thing on.
Yeah, I'll let you get it started.
All right, cool. It's so hard to get because of the backing. It's a challenging paper. All right, so I'll undo it and you can move your ladder. I'll do it.
Sure.
Now I'm unraveling the paper. I'll just tell you this. I'm pulling from the middle because I'm distributing the force of my pull in the middle so that I don't tear the paper. So in the middle, it has the greatest amount of strength when you're separating paper that's been booking. You understand what I mean? Okay, so here we go now with this. Of course, I get stuck on my ladder every single time with my cell phone holder. I'm telling you, it's so annoying. Anyway, you get to see the Tampa Bay wallpaper installer when he gets in a bad mood, and that's part of the install. It really is aggravating. I mean, how would you like this to be you? It's not all smiles, you know. All right, I'm gonna overlap this. There's too much going on here. Can you pull it off me so I don't have such a... All right.
You can hold it off of you so you can work with it.
I want to overlap it sufficiently so I got a good amount. All right. So I'm just moving my fingers incrementally. You can see that. This is, look, whatever technique you come up with to keep this paper up, use it. It's really, there's no rhyme or reason. There is an easy way and a hard way. If at the end of the job, you didn't get it installed quickly enough because your glue started drying on you and you just didn't, then you didn't do it efficiently. But if you think about it, your wallpaper or any other thing that gets installed, there was a first time for everything.
Oh, what you got?
One of the challenges to this paper is it has a texture on it from these sparkles, and now it's causing it to stick to my body. And I'll tell you one other thing, if you ever get this wallpaper for your own house, when I unraveled it, and I'm gonna call the company, the texture on the paper made the edges stick to the backing as it unrolled, and it took off the backing, which if they simply wrap it with wax paper, that won't happen. So they have to, I'm gonna tell them, listen, you gotta do this because your wallpaper is tearing as I unravel it. Manufacturers don't always take into consideration everything. Everything should be tested. Okay, so we're almost done with this. Very good. Thank you, Jeff.
Now, do you need to move back?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna move back. Or else I can turn it around, just to give you an idea of what we're doing here, okay? If we go out, I'm just going to tell you, as you watch this, you can reach me at 813-666-7002 or at www.spencercolgan.com. For your wallpaper removal, installation needs, okay, now, I'll hold her up and you can move your ladder back and I'll move mine back.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, it's easy now. It's got something to stick to.
I'm just gonna clean it down and then cut it and we're done.
It's interesting.
I never hung an arch by myself, so I said do downstairs. The flat is hard enough alone, but an arch can't do it alone. Beautiful.
Okay.
See, if I don't go sweet with it, it'll rip into it. With just this plastic thing. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. That's a good idea. I think that's a good idea.
You're good.
Oh, yeah. I like when the ceiling tells you you're there when you bang into it. Could you just, you know, like, just hand flatten this out by yourself? The rest over there as I take care of this part. It's true. Exactly. This is,
Yeah, you get to run the bubbles.
you know what, I could have used my scaffold, which is on the trunk. Let's see. Okay. I'm a little too short over here. All right. Okay.
I'll have a device made by the next. I'll fabricate a device. I'll make a tee. That way I keep it off of you. Yeah, you put the tee above him. Right
The tea would have to have carpet or something on it.
yeah, you make it smooth. You know the stuff you use on the edge of your door to keep from getting bent?
No, come.
Well, that's plastic.
I use it for my roll cage padding. You know, it goes over a DC line. Keep it insulated. It's foam.
Yeah.
Oh, I know what you mean.
Sticky backs.
Good idea. Good idea.
You can do the, like on the door trim, the real skinny stuff that's on the edge of the door.
Squeeze out of it.
Yeah.
Actually, a floor squeeze is already built for it.
Exactly.
Rubberized one.
Long one.
Foam one, you know?
Right, just put it up there. Just keep that rubber from being stuck.
Yeah.
Can you the garbage can't get through?
Sure,
I knew they would.
sure.
I knew that would be the problem.